on, Qwark. Hurry up.
We must leave now.
Not without Qwark. He would have waited for us. I think.
Good for him.
Wait!
Well, we are all very glad that you made it back safely.
Did you detect any other craft leaving the Star Cruiser? An escape pod? Another shuttle, maybe? Anything?
I'm sorry, Ratchet. We heard the whole thing over the comlink. You had no choice. Captain Qwark died a hero.
Yeah, I'm a bit sad as well, but I cannot do that with my magic. It doesn't work like that. And I know you love him too, Sasha. I'm sure.